Hi friend, Marian here, potentials.com. Signing at our channel. So this morning, nasa house tayo. Parang cloudy day pa rin. Nandiyan pa rin ang smog. Foggy, parang foggy siya. Anyway, we're gonna do arts today. Draw, doodle, and design. So we bought this book from book sale for 125. So original price niya is 170. So yan. Sale na siya because not downgrade ang kanyang price. So, draw, doodle, and design. Parang may ano na. So, there is something magical in seeing what you can do, what texture, tone, and color you can produce merely with a pen, point, and a bottle of ink. So, today we're gonna use our watercolor. So, yung first page natin is fill this page with circles. Can use a pattern with your image. So, lalagyan muna natin ng circle design and then we have it dried bago natin lagyan ng design through our ink. So, iba-ibang colors ang gamitin natin. Bright colors. Yan. So, yan. If you are stressed out with work, with housework, you can do this coloring or art to distress your mind. So very helpful siya po to occupy your mind with other things. So creativity nga. So, very simple lang po yung activity natin. But you know, we can distress out of this activity. So, tomorrow pa po tayo mag-housework. Today is Friday here in the Philippines. So, very affordable din lang po yung art supplies natin. This is just watercolor we brought at the bookstore. And we can transform these to work of art using our markers or pens, colored pens or colored pencils. So it's an endless opportunity to create. So but we're starting with circles. I-fill natin ang circle yung page natin. So yun yung instruction ng book natin. So how do you usually spend your rest day? Reading ba, doing housework, watching Netflix. So, yun, the possibilities are endless, diba? But we have to find time to rest our body, to rest our mind. Yan. Yan sinasabi ng mga psychologists. We have to find time to rest ourselves. So, even God, diba? Yung ano siya ng Sabbath day for rest. Even si God, nag-provide siya ng day to rest. So, much more us, diba? We're just human, so we need time to rest ourselves. To rest our body, to rest our soul, to rest our spirit. Let's change the color. Or mix natin with another one. Pareho kasi natin. Small circles. Then, we have to dry this first bago natin siya lagyan ng mga design for our markers or colored pens. Meron din tayong watercolors with more than this, but yun nga, hindi pa natin siya although small square siya, hindi pa natin siya na-open or na-start. Ginagamit mo rin natin kung ano na. Yan, we're done with our circles. Siguro isa pa dito. Yan, we're done with our circles. Papadry muna natin siya before natin lagyan ng design. Dapat ayusin natin ang ating work area at hindi na tumuturo yung ating inks dahil nakapalo siya. Dahil wala na tayong space. So let's have it dry before we proceed. So ayan na yung circles natin, which will provide design later. Hi friend! Ayan, dry na yung ating circle. So, let's design. So, using our gold pen, our colored pens, marker, and our white marker also. So, let's start with doodling. Yan. Friend, ayan, pang ano lang to, distress in our busy everyday. Ayan. Find something creative to remove the worries, anxieties, and it will also help you to be creative. So, kung meron ka bang sinusolve na problem sa office or sa ministry, this will help you to think. Kasi nagiging creative ka nga eh. So, you're finding ways to think, to find solutions sa mga projects. So, medyo minsan, di ba, na may mental block na tayo sa dami ng things that we need to attend to. Kaya, hindi natin na-find ang mga or hindi natin na-finalize ang ating mga deadlines is because hindi na lumalabas yung ink. Ayun, you have to shake your gold markers para lumabas yung ink niya. Medyo matagal natin siya hindi ginamit. So, we have to, kailangan natin siya i-bleed para lumabas yung ink. Or to shake. Hindi na lumalabas ang ink niya. Or we have to buy new ones ba? Kuya Daniel, ayan, hindi na umaano yung ating gold, markers. Hindi na gumagana. Kaya kailangan naman natin. Hindi, meron pa just have to bleed nga. Ano siya? Nawawala yung ink niya. To shake. Ayan. Sumobra naman yung bleed niya. Yung white naman. Isang box yung binigyan natin sa white. Nagkaano parang sumasama dun sa color ng natin. So let's just na lang natin siya. Reverse painting ba ang tawag siya? This stimulates our mind to be creative. Kaya ayan, we can bring that creativity sa ating mga work projects. Meron ba tayong area or project na hindi natin matapos-tapos? So, yun. It can help us to answer yung mind query natin. By doing this creative projects. Parang simple activity lang, pero imagine it creates idea sa mind mo kasi nga ni-stimulate mo siya. At hindi naman magastos, hindi naman mahirap. You are just at home or pwede rin nasa park ka or Starbucks or any coffee shop na free-frequent siya. Siyempre, we can also read our books. Yan, madami tayong books. So, pa? Friend, may suggestion ka pa ba on what we can doodle sa ating circles? Please post on the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.